save, invest, and make money with Cowrywise. Cowrywise, as you can see, it says put your money to work. All right. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your money work for you. All right. So if you scroll down, you can see this is what the website actually looks like, and the website link is cowrywise.com, as you can see right here. And I'm also going to put my referral link in the description below, so you can go ahead and register using my referral link if you wish to. All right, with that said, let's dive into my dashboard. And as you can see right here, this is what my dashboard looks like. And as you can see, this whole section, it shows you that I've been able to make use of Cowrywise, and it shows that I know what I'm actually saying in this video. All right, so as you can see right here, one thing I love about Cowrywise is when you scroll down on your dashboard, you're going to see your risk appetite. All right, this shows how good you are with investments, or let me say your attitude towards investments, and your money health. We have money health. Money health is more like things you've completed, challenges you've completed on Cowrywise. All right, and if you scroll down, you can actually see invite a friend to get a waiver. All right, so as you can see right here, to add money to your wallet, I think you need to connect your account. So if you click on add money right here, if you click on add money, you're going to see this. You come to stash. Stash is a way for you to add money to your balance. So if you come to this Naira stash, then you see it's going to give you an account. This account, you're going to deposit, you're going to send money from your using bank transfer from your mobile account into this account. And that's it. Once you've done that, you can also make use of Wema or Sterling Bank. You can select accounts right here. All right, anyone is, and the money is going to get into your Cowrywise account instantly. All right, or let me say, if not instantly, at least in the next 5 minutes. All right. And with that said, now let me show you how to go ahead and save. If you come to this save section on Cowrywise, you're going to notice that you have different saving plans. We have the regular savings, we have the emergency savings, we have money deal, we have saving circle. Saving circle is more of like when you're actually trying to save. You guys are challenging yourself. You have a couple of your friends, and you guys want to challenge yourself into you want to challenge yourself by saving. Maybe you want to say saving 1,000 naira every single day, or saving 5,000 naira every single day. You can actually use saving circles to do that. And the money deal is more of like creating a financial plan with your partner. Okay, so if you're a couple, and you want to go ahead and save money together, you can actually use the money deal section. And the emergency savings is a way for you to go ahead and save money for emergencies. All right, we have what we call emergency fund. And if you want to save for emergency fund, you can actually do this using the emergency fund. And the regular saving, you can see the regular saving is going to lock your savings for at least 3 months and above. You can also lock your savings up to 1 year, all right, depending on how long you want to lock a particular savings. All right, so if I click on this regular savings, you're going to see what it actually says. So you see, do you want to automate your savings? You can say yes or no. If you don't want to automate your savings, it means you're actually going to be adding money into the particular regular saving plan you created by yourself. All right, and if I click on continue, you're going to see it's going to ask you how much you like to save. You can actually select different plans and all. So I don't want to make this video lengthy by saying things that are not relevant, so I'm going to dive to the next one that says invest. So like I said, I'm also going to show you how to invest. I've been able to invest in a couple of assets in the Cowrywise, but I had to change to a separate platform like Trove, where I can see more financial assets to invest in. So and one thing I love about the Cowrywise is, if you're actually new to investment and you're trying to get started and you want to start building an investment portfolio, you can actually use the Cowrywise investment section. So if you scroll down, as you can see my investments, I have on my investment Naira section. So if you scroll down, you can see you can create a new investment. You have the USD mutual fund and the Naira mutual fund. So the Naira mutual fund, I click on the Naira mutual fund. Since my account since I have Naira on my account, I'll be able to do that. So as you can see, actually, these assets I've been able to invest in, and these assets have yield lots of profits. All right, they've yield a lot of profits over the years since I've been using Cowrywise, and as you can see right here, this one is still yielding more profit. This is 1.06%, and this one is annual about 10.83%. So you can see you can actually go and invest in you can invest in different stocks, but you might not be familiar with this you might not be familiar with most of these things. So if you click on invest in Naira Mutual Fund, you're going to see different companies you can actually invest in, and they are based on your aggressive level. Sorry, I say aggressive, on your risk appetite. All right, as you can see, I'm an aggressive trader, or let me say an aggressive investor. So I tend to go for aggressive investments because I want something that will yield more returns compared to low returns or moderate returns, because those ones, they are actually very low. And if if you're actually new to the investment section, let me say the investment section, or you're new to investment, you want to try as much as possible to go to something that has to do with conservative or moderate. Going for aggressive, because the market is volatile, it can actually go up and go down. The price movement is not stable. All right, it's not always stable. You can actually also lose all your investments in this aggressive trading. All right, or let me say aggressive investment. So if you make use of if you make use of uh con- conservative investments, you're going to be able to, you earn little, but you're still going to earn something. Then lastly, like I said, I'm going to show you how to make money on Cowrywise. And if you're enjoying this video so far, kindly like this video and subscribe to the channel. Liking this video means YouTube is going to recommend this video to more people like you. And if you click on this referral section on Cowrywise, you're going to notice that you can actually you can actually invite your friends to join Cowrywise, just as I'm inviting you to this platform. And if you save or invest up to 5,000 naira on this app, I'm going to get a particular amount. All right, so let me show you my referral. If I show you, this is my referral performance, you're going to see how much you have. But right now I have about zero amounts. You can see my total signups. I have total signups here, and you can see expired waivers, because these are the ones that I think they were not able to complete the things they need to complete. All right, and if you scroll down, this is my code. I'm also going to paste my code in the screen and also in the description below, so you can go ahead and use it. And you can also use my referral link, to sign up on Cowrywise. Okay, I think that's all, and it's very easy when it comes to withdrawing your money back to your bank account on Cowrywise. If you come to the payment section, you can add your card. So you can see I have add my card. You can also add your bank account. So this is my bank account right here. You can also add your bank account to Cowrywise. This will enable you withdraw your money back to your wallet or back to your account really easy. All right, so that's it guys on how to go ahead and save, invest, and also make money from Cowrywise. And if you actually enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos like this on this YouTube channel, then what I want you to do is to go ahead and smash that red subscribe button, and also don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below about what you love about this video. And if you have something you want to learn that has to do with finance, then go ahead and say it in the comment section. I'm going to try my best to answer, or I'm trying to provide a better video for you out there. That's it guys for this video, and I hope you enjoyed or got value from this video. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.